The provision of ICT tools to remote and rural communities has great potential for mitigating poverty and expanding digital literacy, to foster the improvement of the socio-economic status of the beneficiaries. The IWABELT project has adopted an approach focused on the introduction and promotion of ICT's innovations among farmers involved in the farmer field research units, with the aim of leveraging these technologies within the broader context of promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Among these, Occam has developed the PlantHead Diagnostic platform, a tool aiming at promoting real-time diagnosis and environment-friendly crop protection to cope with food insecurity issues.
The PlantHead platform is a very useful tool for farmers because it allows them to manage and treat their crop diseases. So basically it acts like an extension service in the field because farmers can create an alert with their phone and they can add information on crop disease. They can also take georeferenced photos of the symptoms of on their crops. And once the ticket is sent, the service providers at the local node will manage the request. If needed, they can send the ticket to an upper node, national or international node, to receive support in elaborating a solution. And once the solution is found, the farmer will receive a notification directly on his phone with a suggested control measure to apply on the affected crop.
Occam worked closely with African partners to gather feedback aimed at improving the platform, ensuring it becomes increasingly user-friendly and intuitive. The latest development involved the introduction of a mobile application of the PlantHead platform.
We have recently introduced the PlantHead mobile app for smartphones. This is the most easy and most intuitive way possible to use the PlantHead platform. Indeed, it is specifically designed for farmers in the field and it allows them to create an alert even when their phone is not connecting to the internet. And the poor connection is actually a challenge that is present in the farmer field research units.
The 6 African countries of the IWABELT project have been actively involved in training the farmers in the Farmer Field Research Unit to use the platform. In Kenya, the University of Nairobi conducted farmer training workshops involving a total of 22 farmers who selected peanut crop for field practice.
The PlantHead platform came as a real need to solve the problem of the farmers, especially in Kenya. Because of lack of funds, the Kenyan structure did away with what we call extension workers. And the extension workers are the ones that connected farmers with scientists. So because of lack of extension workers, the farmers have not been getting information on how to deal with their problem. So a farmer could easily go to his farm and take a photo of the disease, and then the connection with the universities, they automatically get their feedback on how to deal with the problem. So the first thing is that it's quick. Then the second thing is that they have a connection. And then the third thing is that they can ask a problem. They can ask what else they want from the platform, and then they immediately get the results.
During the experimentation phase, Occam, in collaboration with the University of Sassari, involved one partner for each IWABELT African country in enriching the PlantHead database, with data on crops and diseases. The storage of images in the platform repository has represented the fulcrum for developing the real-time diagnostic tool, allowing to storage image files used for plant disease recognition, and enhancing the creation of a mutual information exchange network.
What we did was asking to our African partners to select at least one crop of scientific importance, along with 6 related crop diseases. And for each of these crop diseases, the partners provided us with leaves photos depicting the specific symptoms that we uploaded in the platform to automate the automatic diagnostic system.
As the plants were growing, we monitored the diseases that were occurring, and images were used to develop the PlantHead platform. And after the launch of the PlantHead platform, farmers were trained on how to use it.
This experimentation allowed Occam to store in the PlantHead platform database a set of agronomic, biological and chemical control measures related to more than 25 crop diseases, along with a scientific database of more than 3,000 crop photos. This database represents an extremely valuable asset for the diagnosis, monitoring and management of crop diseases. As the PlantHead platform prepares to open up beyond the EWABEL project, its potential for upscaling and expanding to new regions marks a turning point in the use of digital tools for inclusive and sustainable agriculture.
At the end of the project, we are planning to open the platform, to upscale it. We're planning to involve new African and non-African countries to enrich this database, because the more crops are added, the more the platform will be useful for the farmers.